Hello, it's 81934 here, and now I haven't done a video in a while now, so I'm just going to get started with this sort of videos. So I will be getting back into my normal sort of videoing routine, but I'm just going to start with this sort of video, like easy one. So yeah, please comment if you want me to do any sort of new video. Oh, my hair's rubby. I've just got out the shower. So yeah, if you want me to do any new videos for you, like if you want to be a Mushy Monsters, Gomu, or my dog. So yeah, or if there's anything you're interested in, anything I would be, and comment, I could probably do a video for you if I'm interested in that stuff. So yeah, and yeah, it's a short video today. So yeah, I will see you another time. Please rate and subscribe.